Hi! It's really challenging nowadays to find the best products. It would be awesome if you can find a reliable source to know which products are the best. That's why we came here to help you to choose the best product that can bring the best output that you're looking for. In this video, we have listed the top 5 best products. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge. However, there are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, we did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best stick welders under $500 from reputable brands. So let's get started. Number 1. Forney 180 StickTik Welder. The Forney Easy Weld 180 Street is a lightweight 14-pound dual-purpose stick welder. This is a DC arc welder with TIG capability included. It runs on 120 or 240 volts input, delivering 10 to 180 amps of DC current. This is a powerful machine that can run single-pass welds on a half-inch steel, and a 10 amps lower limit. It also provides fine TIG quality on sheet metal, as thin as 24-gauge steel. That's fine enough to weld on auto body sheet metal with a stick welder. If you do want to use the TIG side of the machine, it doesn't ship with a TIG torture gas regulator, so those items would need to be purchased separately. This particular machine doesn't accept a TIG foot control pedal. The stick welding side gets great reviews for smooth and easy starting arc welding. The Forney Easy Weld 180 Street maintains Forney's high standards of industrial quality build and comes with a 5-year warranty. Positive side of this product: dual-purpose arc welder with TIG ability, high-frequency lift arc, 10 to 180 amp current adjustment. Negative side of this product: no gas regulator. Number 2. The Copper 110 220 V MMA welder machine. Don't let the inexpensive cost of this welder give you the impression it is a cheap knockoff welder. This dual voltage DC arc welder will lay a bead that will impress even the most critical weld inspectors. With an amperage range of 10-160 amps, you can weld thin mild steel up to a user-claimed thick steel on 240 V power supply. With a lead current meter, you will be able to set the welder perfectly. This will result in very little spatter, and with a stable welding arc, you can produce a professional weld you can be proud of. Positive side of this product: impressive duty cycle, small footprint. Negative side of this product: only 30-day warranty. Number 3. Forney Easy Weld 100 ST 110 V arc welder. The Forney Easy Weld 298 arc welder 100 ST is a great little welder for beginners. At just under 10 pounds and about 12 by 10 by 6 inches, it's compact and lightweight. For someone without a lot of extra shop space, it's easy to store, and it's easily carried to get things done around the house. This is a 110V only machine, and the power output tops out at 90 amps, good enough to run 1/8-inch rods. Owners of the Forney Easy Weld 100 ST mention smooth welding on 6011, 6013 and 7018 electrodes, although with 7018, it's recommended that you stay below the 1/8-inch max diameter. Forney suggests running 3/32 rods when welding with 7018. One of the nice things about the Forney Easy Weld 298 arc welder 100 ST is its ability to convert to TIG capability, a great feature for this price range. You'll need to buy parts like an argon regulator and a TIG torch. The only real negatives to this machine are short 8-foot leads, and the grounding clamp has an unusual contact design. These things won't stop you from welding, and they're inexpensively fixed. Positive side of this product: runs both 6013 and 3/32 7018 sticks. Infinitely adjustable current dial. TIG selector switch. Compact. 12x 5.5x 10.5 inches. TIG capable. Parts cost extra. Negative side of this product: 8-foot leads are a little short. Ground clamp doesn't contact well. Number 4. Reboot Stick Welder 110 V 220 volts. You'll love the Reboot Stick Welder, which comes in elegant green color. Although it features a minimalist design, it doesn't mean it won't work as expected. The Reboot is a powerful welding machine that uses a dual voltage of 110-220 V. Moreover, it's easy to use, and if you're a beginner, you'll maneuver and learn how to operate it pretty fast. It's easy to set up and features an MMA stick, lift TIG, and VRD. This combination allows it to work perfectly on different types of electrodes like 6011, 7018, and 6013. The package comes with a 1x1.5 meters cord, clamp, electrode holder, and a conversion line. In addition, it's lightweight, has a simple design, and therefore you can use it in your workshop and outdoor projects. We recommend this unit if you're looking for a compact design that comes loaded with excellent power and versatility. Positive side of this product, minimal design. Great for beginners. Easy to use. Negative side of this product, not suitable for heavy-duty applications. Number 5. Zenpsi Arc Welding Machine DC Inverter Stick Arc Welder. If you're looking to buy a welder that will hold up well for your project, you can consider the Zenpsi Arc Welding Machine. It's a high-capacity and energy-efficient machine that uses dual voltage and IGBT technology to provide consistent heat during welding. Inside the package, you'll find a 5 feet, 6.7 feet, cord and input adapter cord, plug, and a clamp. The Zenpsi is a versatile machine that you can use for cutting steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. It's also suitable for light use, repairing, and maintenance work. When you compare to other commercial welders that are either too heavy or bulky, this machine features a sleek design. It's also lightweight and has an inbuilt handle that makes it easy to carry and store. You can use it for your projects in your workshop or outdoors. Positive side of this product, versatile use. Energy efficient. Sleek design. Safe to use. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.